MKGM school students aim towards a high academic excellence in school examinations, AISCE and AISSCE of 2022-2023. So we are going to facilitate the students with trophies and certificates from nursery to class 12 science and commerce. I would like to humbly request our chief guest to give away the trophies and certificates.
From nursery, first position is secured by Miss Trisha M. Joshi. I request her to come forward and receive trophy and certificate from our honorable chief guest. Congratulations, Trisha.
From class KG1, first position is secured by Master Jaidarshi Chasatia. Now I request him to come forward and receive trophy and certificate from our honorable chief guest.
Congratulations, Jaidat. From KG2, first position is secured by Master Arav Singh K. Parmar and Master Hitansh K. Patel. Now I request both of them to come forward and receive trophies and certificate from our honorable chief guest. Congratulations to both of you.
From class first A, first position is secured by Ms. Diyaben Y. Chauhan and Master Maurya D. Bhagat. Now I request both of them to come forward and receive trophies and certificates from our respected chief guest.
Congratulations to both of you. From class first B, first position is secured by Miss Bhakti S. Patel. Now I request her to come forward and receive trophy and certificate from our honorable chief guest. Congratulations to Bhakti.
From class second, first position is secured by Master Heed Shah. Now I request him to come forward and receive trophy and certificate from our honorable chief guest.
From class 3rd A, first position is secured by Master Rhythm J. Shah. Now I request him to come forward and receive trophy and certificate from our respected chief guest. Congratulations, Rhythm.
From class 3rd B, first position is secured by Master Navya K. Patel. Now I request him to come forward and receive trophy and certificate from our honorable chief guest. Parents, please clap for him.
From class 4th A, first position is secured by Master Rudra Raj C. Sintha. I request him to come forward and receive trophy and certificate from our honorable chief guest. Parents, please clap for him.
From class 4th B, first position is secured by Miss Arya K. Patel. Now I request her to come forward and receive trophy and certificate from our respected chief guest. Parents, please clap for her.
As soon as they receive, start next one. Hold on. Confident ke saath.
From class 5th A, first position is secured by Miss Yashvi Sibhat. I request her to come forward and receive trophy and certificate from our honorable chief guest. Parents, please clap for her.
From class 5th B, first position is secured by Miss Jansi S. Patel. Now I request her to come forward and receive certificate from our honorable chief guest. Parents, please clap for her.
From class 6th A, first position is secured by Master Shubh C. Jagtap. I request him to come forward and receive trophy and certificate from our honorable chief guest.
From class 6B, first position is secured by Miss Jia Shah. Now I request her to come forward and receive trophy and certificate from our honorable chief guest.
From class 8A, first position is secured by Master Harshit A. Patel. I request him to come forward and receive trophy and certificate from our honorable chief guest.
From class 7th B, first position is secured by Master Farhan Mehman. Now I request him to come forward and receive trophy and certificate from our honorable chief guest.
From class 8A, first position is secured by Master Jairaj J. Rathod. Now I request him to come forward and receive trophy and certificate from our honorable chief guest.
From class 8th B, first position is secured by Master Vandan Kumar V. Patel. Now I request him to come forward and receive trophy and certificate from our honorable chief guest.
From class 9th A, first position is secured by Master Deepraj C. Chowda. I request him to come forward and receive trophy and certificate from our honorable chief guest.
From class 9th B, first position is secured by Master Mokshit S. Rao Kamala. Now I request him to come forward and receive trophy and certificate from our respected chief guest.
From class 10th, first position is secured by Master Aviraj C. Rahulji. Now I request him to come forward and receive trophy and certificate from our honorable chief guest.
Start.
From class 10, second position is secured by Master Heer Patel and Ms. Zil Shah. Now I request both of them to come forward and receive trophies and certificates from our honorable chief guest.
Good evening, sir.
From class 10th, third position is secured by Master Joy B. Patel. Now I request him to come forward and receive trophy and certificate from our honorable chief guest.
From class 11 science, first position is secured by Master Vishwa and Patel. Now I request him to come forward and receive trophy and certificate from our respected chief guest.
Take time. Start. Next start. Color.
From class 11th commerce, first position is secured by Master Aditya Dikshit. Now I request him to come forward and receive trophy and certificate from our honorable chief guest.
From class 12 science, second position is secured by Miss Priyanshi Rathod. Now I request her to come forward and receive trophy and certificate from our respected chief guest.
From class 12th commerce, first position is secured by Master Ritesh Kumawat. Now I request him to come forward and receive trophy and certificate from our honorable chief guest. From class 11 commerce, second position is secured by Master Jal J. Patel. Now I request him to come forward and receive trophy and certificate from our honorable chief guest. Last but not the least, from 12th commerce, third position is secured by Master Het A. Patel. Now I request him to come forward and receive trophy and certificate from our honorable chief guest.
Our school football team had participated in CBSE Cluster 13th Football Championship. It was held at American School, Vadodara in the month of October 2023. In this championship, 69 teams had participated from different schools. Our school under-19 boys football team secured third position and they bagged bronze medals. I would like to call their coach, Mr. Robin Condal, to come forward with his players and collect medals and certificate from our respected chief guests. The team members are Master Shail Tang from class 12, Master Om Patel from class 8, Master Yug Patel from class 8, Master Het Panchal from class 9, Master Om Patel from class 9, Master Adi Patel from class 10th, Master Joy Patel from class 11th, Master Mano Patel from class 11th, Master Hardil Patel from class 11th, Master Dharmik Tang from class 11th, Master Heer Patel from class 11th, Master Janice Patel from class 11th, Master Ali Sahir from class 12th, Master Dev Patel from class 12th, and Master Tirth Patel from class 12th. Congratulations to the coach and the team.
Our school kabaddi team had participated in CBSE Cluster 13th Kabaddi Championship. It was held at SUV International School, Surat in the month of October 2023. In this championship, 32 teams had participated from different schools. Our school under-19 boys kabaddi team achieved second position and they got silver medals and selected for the national level, which was held at SS International School, Karnal, Haryana in the month of November 2023. I would like to call their coach, Mr. Saurabh Chaudhary, to come forward with his players and collect medals and certificates along with trophy from our chief guest. The team includes Master Krishna Tomar of class 11th, Master Jas Gajera of class 9th, Master Arkan Malik of class 9th, Master Veer Patel of class 10th, Master Aman Verma of class 10th, Master Prince Patel of class 10th, Master Prithvi Patel of class 10th, Master Ajay Rathwa of class 10th, Master Keval Patel of class 11th, Master Devan Sharma of class 11th, Master Smeet Patel of class 12th, and Master Rahul Chaudhary of class 12th. Congratulations to the coach and the team.
मैम के बाद वेट करना है.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Now I humbly request our guest of honor, Shri N. Rama Mohan, to do the honor.
Our school athletics team had participated in CBSE Cluster 13th Athletics Championship. It was held at Lakshmi International School, Vapi in the month of October 2023. In this championship, 3,500 plus participants had participated from different schools. Our school athletics team achieved gold and silver medals in different events and selected for national level, which was held at NH Goyal World School, Raipur in the month of November 2023. I would like to call their coach, Mr. Rajesh Sen, to come forward with his players and collect medals and certificates from our guest of honor. Master Aditya Dixit from class 12th secured gold medal in 400 meter under 19. Master Shiv Patel from class 12th secured gold medal in 1500 meter under 19. Master Vivek Patel from class 10 secured gold and silver medal in triple jump, long jump under 17 respectively. And Master Dhuraj Goyal from class 12 secured silver medal in javelin throw under 19. Master Aditya Dixit from class 12, Master Shiv Patel from class 12, Master Meet Singh Raj from class 12, and Master Sivraj Singh Atalia from class 12 secured silver medals in 4 into 400 meter under 19. Congratulations to the coach and the players.
Our school chess team had participated in CBSE Cluster West Zone Chess Championship. It was held at Atmiya Vidya Niketan, Ahmedabad in the month of October 2023. In this championship, 1500 participants had participated from different schools. Our school chess team in under 17 boys, Master Anay Baiti of class 9th, achieved first position trophy in board prize. He won all the matches in his allotted board. I would like to call their coach, Mr. Kalucharan Maharana, to come forward along with Master Anay Baiti of class 9th and collect trophy from our guest of honor. Congratulations to the coach and Anay.
Our school judo and wrestling teams had participated in different competitions throughout the year like CBSE Cluster, West Zone, SGFI, etc. Our remarkable students achieved different positions and they got medals and certificates. Now I would like to call their coach, Mr. Jitu Yadav, to come forward with his players and collect medals and certificates from our guest of honor.
Miss Vani Patel of class 4th in judo participated in CBSE cluster held at Rajasthan under 11, secured first position with gold medal and certificate. Miss Vani Patel selected for national level and participated, which was held in Modern School, Noida in the month of November 2023.
Master Neeraj Patel from class 11 in Judo CBSE cluster under weight category of 19 and open category 80 plus kg secured third position with bronze medal and certificate. He also participated in SGFI under weight category of 17 and open category 90 plus kg secured fourth position. He also participated in wrestling SGFI under weight category of 17 and open category 110 kg secured third position with bronze medal and certificate. Master Swapnil Gajera from class 7 participated in wrestling SGFI under weight category of 17 and 92 kg secured third position with bronze medal along with certificate. Congratulations to the coach and all the achievers.
Our school 4 students participated in Surya Namaskar competition held at Saraswati Vidyalaya Karjan on 23rd December 2023. In senior girls, Miss Vishwa M. Patel achieved first position and awarded with 1000 rupees gold medal and certificate, and she was selected to district level. Now I would like to call their coach Mr. Rajesh Sen to come forward along with Vishwa M. Patel of class 9th and collect gold medal and certificate from our guest of honor. Congratulations to the coach and Vishwa.
Our school horse riding team achieved more effort throughout the year to take care of horses and practice with running, jumping and trekking. Here I am going to announce students' name who has given marvelous efforts to take care all the activities of horses. Now I would like to call their coach Mr. Navin Kumar to come forward along with Master Sel Patel from class 10 and Master Manmit Gol from class 9 and collect trophy from our guest of honor. Congratulations to the coach and the riders.
तो जाने के लिए बोलेंगे ना.
Our school rifle shooting team had participated in different competitions throughout the year like 66 national shooting, CBSE cluster, SGFI, etc. Our students achieved different positions and they bagged medals and certificates. Now I would like to call their coach Ms. Krishna Ba Parmar and Master Ayush Patel to come forward with their players and receive trophies and certificates from our guest of honor. Here are the proud players. Ms. Dhriti Patel from class 11 in CBSE cluster secured second position. She also participated in SGFI, secured third position. She also participated in 66 National Shooting Championship, selected as ISF shooter.
Congratulations, Dhriti.
Ms. Vaishnavi Rabari from class 9 participated in CBSE cluster, secured second position. She also participated in 3rd South Central Gujarat Shooting Championship, secured first and second position with 2 gold medals and 1 silver medal. She also participated in 2nd Gujarat Inter-School Championship, secured second position with silver medal. She also participated in 17th Ramdas Halwai Memorial, secured third position with bronze medal.
Congratulations, Vaishnavi. Miss Pratna Parmar of class 10th participated in CBSE cluster, secured second position with silver medal and certificate. Master Tirth Amin of class 10th participated in 8th Open District, secured first position and third position with 1 gold and 1 bronze medal with certificate. SGFI State secured first position with gold medal and certificate. He also participated in 17th Ramdas Halwai Memorial. He secured first position with gold medal and certificate.
Ms. Janvi Bedi from class 10 participated in 17th Ramdas Halwai Memorial, secured first position with 2 gold medals along with certificate. She also participated in 8th Open District and State, secured second and third position with 1 silver and 1 bronze medal along with certificate. Master Naitik Bhatt from class 8 participated in 70th Ramdas Halwai Memorial, secured third position with bronze medal along with certificate. He also participated in 3rd South Central Gujarat Shooting Championship, secured second and third position with 2 silvers and 1 bronze medal along with certificate.
Ms. Jugaksha Booth of class 9 participated in 3rd South Central Gujarat Shooting Championship, secured second position with silver medal and certificate. Ms. Dvija Kalal of class 8 participated in 17th Ramdas Halwai Memorial, secured third position with bronze medal and certificate. She also participated in 3rd South Central Gujarat Shooting Championship, secured first position with gold medal and certificate.
Master Gopesh Pandey from class 12 participated in 17th Ramdas Halwai Memorial, secured first position with 2 gold medals along with certificate. And Master Mohit Nair from class 12 participated in 17th Ramdas Halwai Memorial, secured second position with silver medal along with certificate.
Yes, wait. चेंज करना है यहाँ पे. किसको चेंज करना है? ये पूरा तुम बोलोगे पेज पूरा है. नहीं, पूरा पेज कौन बोलेगा? नहीं, गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर ग्लोबल इसका. दूसरा गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर कौन था? हाँ लिखा था तू. हाँ, उसको बोलना है पूरा पेज.
Congratulations to the coaches and the shooters.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I humbly request our guest of honor, Shri Bhupendra Narayan Singh, to do the honor. The best sports boy for the year 2023-24 is secured by Master Krishna R. Tomar of class 11th Commerce from Kirpal House. Now I request Master Krishna R. Tomar to receive trophy from our special guest.
गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर.
The best sports girl of the year 2023-24 is secured by Ms. Dhriti Y. Patel of class 11 Science from Thagar House. Now I request Ms. Dhriti Y. Patel to receive trophy from our honorable chief guest.
Congratulations, Dhriti. Inter-house pole and rope Malkham shooting, swimming and lawn tennis championship 2023-24. First position is secured by Savan House. Now a request from junior and senior wing house captains and vice captains with their respected coaches, house masters and tutors to receive the trophy on behalf of Savan House.
बार बार बोलने के बाद भी इतना गलती कर रहा है. गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर बोल रहा हूँ मैं. सुन तो ले मेरी बात. सुन तो ले. एक चेंज नहीं कर सकता यार. गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर को स्पेशल गेस्ट बना दिया, टेबल गेस्ट को चीफ गेस्ट बना दिया. इतना गलत नहीं क्या बोला है? सुविधा खुद भी बोल रहा है यार. मैं बोल रहा हूँ बार बार नहीं करना है, नहीं करना है, नहीं करना है. फिर भी तुम लोग ऐसे कर रहे हो. चलो अभी बाद में मैच करना है. ये कहाँ बोलेगा? ये कौन गेस्ट का नाम क्या है? चीफ गेस्ट नहीं बुलाना है, कौन है? अभी तो गेस्ट का फोन अभी चलेगा ना? ध्यान रखना ये गेस्ट का फोन अभी।
Inter-House Badminton Championship 2023-24. First combined position goes to Thakur House and Kabir House. Now I request from junior and senior young house captains and vice captains with their respective coaches, house masters and tutors to receive trophy on behalf of Thakur House and Kabir House.
सावन हाउस को निकालो तो सही, कोई बात नहीं, इसके बाद वाला ऑप्शन है। ये गड़बड़ाया है। ठाकर हाउस अनाउंस क्यों कर दिया?
Inter-House Badminton Championship 2023-24. First combined position goes to Thakur House and Kabir House. Now I request from junior and senior young house captains and vice captains with their respective coaches, house masters and tutors to receive trophy on behalf of Thakur House and Kabir House. Congratulations to both the houses.
Inter-House Kho-Kho and Athletics Championship 2023-24. First position is secured by Kirpal House. Now I request from junior and senior wing house captains and vice captains with their respected coaches, house masters and tutors to receive the trophy on behalf of Kirpal House.
Congratulations to Inter-House Football Championship 2023-24. First combined position goes to Sawan House and Thakur House. Now I request from junior and senior wing house captains and vice captains with their respective coaches, house masters and tutors to receive trophy on behalf of Sawan House and Thakur House. Parents, please appreciate the efforts of the students. Congratulations to both the houses.
Inter-House Kabaddi Championship 2023-24. First position is secured by Kabir House. Now I request from junior and senior wing house captains and vice captains with their respected coaches, house masters and tutors to receive the trophy on behalf of Kirpal House. Congratulations to Kabir House.
Inter-House Basketball Championship 2023-24. First position is secured by Thagar House. Now I request from junior and senior wing house captains and vice captains with their respected coaches, house masters and tutors to receive trophy on behalf of Thagar House. Parents, please give them a big round of applause. Congratulations to Thagar House.
Cock House in games and overall champion house in CCA for the year 2023-24 is secured by Savan House. Now I request junior wing and senior wing house captains and vice captains with their respected house masters and tutors to receive the trophy on behalf of Savan House.
आराम से बोलना है थैंक यू वेरी मच सर
Congratulations to Savan House.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I humbly request our special guest, Sri Bhaskar Pandit, to do the honor.
Education's purpose is to replace an empty one with an open one. Teaching is the profession that teaches all the other professions. How can we forget the contribution, hard work, and dedication of a teacher who had put all his efforts to bring out our potential and to mold our personality? Here we would like to call upon our most talented and hand-working teachers who had proved themselves and helped students to score 90 and above percentages in their respective subjects. First and foremost, I would like to request our Hindi language facilitator, Mr. Gomti Pandey, to come forward and receive the token of love from our honorable special guest. Congratulations to Gomti ma'am.
Secondly, I would like to request our economics and business studies teacher, Mr. Chandrabhushan. Sir, please come and forward and receive token of love. Congratulations to Chandrabhushan, sir.
Thirdly, I would like to request our computer science teacher, Mr. Babit Sharma. Sir, please come forward and receive the token of love. Congratulations to Babit, sir.
Here, I would like to request our biology teacher, Ms. Sonali Krishnani. Ma'am, please come forward and receive token of love. Congratulations to Sonali, ma'am.
Next, I would like to request our chemistry teacher, Mr. Ashish Sharma. Sir, please come forward and receive the token of love. Congratulations to Ashish sir. Next, I would like to request our English language facilitator, Mr. Bachu Kundu. Sir, please come forward and receive the token of love. Congratulations to Bachu sir.
Next, I would like to request our social science and geography teacher, Mr. K.N. Upadhyay. Sir, please come forward and receive token of love. Congratulations to K.N. sir.
The best teacher of the year for Team 1 goes to Mr. Manoj Gogoi from Junior Wing and Mr. K.N. Upadhyay from Senior Wing.
Congratulate. गोल करुणानिधि उपाध्याय कहाँ पे लिखा था? I request all that. गोल कहाँ पे लिखा था sentence? We welcome.
We welcome both of them to receive the token of love from our special guest.
Thank you, Tukad. I thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
There are many students who perform their talent in so many different events and achieve remarkable position in sports. So here we are going to announce their names. Master Aditya Dikshit from class 12th in athletics, Master Vivek Patel from class 10th in athletics, Master Hardil Patel from class 11th in football, Master Shiv Patel from class 12th in football, Master Arkan Malik from class 9th in kabaddi, Master Dharmik Barbar from class 8th in kabaddi, Master Omkar Goyal from class 12th in badminton, Miss Vani Amin from class 11th in badminton, Miss Vaishnavi Patel from class 9 in yoga, Miss Tanusha Patel from class 5th in yoga, Miss Riddhi Patel from class 7th in rope malkham, Miss Chas from class 5th in rope malkham, Master Janish Patel from class 4th in pole malkham, Master Devdutt Parmar from class 3rd in rope malkham, Miss Dhriti Patel from class 11th in silk malkham, Miss Palak Patel from class 11th in silk malkham, Master Nilesh Patel from class 11th in judo, Miss Vani Patel from class 4th in judo, Master Swapnil Gajera from class 7th in wrestling, Master Arya Patel from class 5th in wrestling,
Master Veer Patel from class 11th in cricket, Master Bhavya Patel from class 9th in cricket, Master H.J. Panchal from class 9th in lawn tennis, Master Shubh Patel from class 8th in lawn tennis, Master Amit Lalotra from class 9th in swimming, Master Bharat Rathwa from class 9th in swimming, Master Shubh Jagtap from class 7th in chess, Master Vinayak Maharana in class 7th in chess, Miss Priyanshi Singh,
Master Priyaraj C. Padyar from class 12th in basketball, Master Om M. Patel from class 9th in basketball, Master Jaidap from class in shooting, Master Soumya Maurya from class 8th in rifle shooting, Master Dhyan Patel from class 1st in gymnastics, Miss Asta Upadhyay from class 2nd in gymnastics, Master Hari Krishna Patel from class 9th in band, Master Prithvi Patel from class 10th in band, Master Shiv Gorani from class 11th in volleyball, and Master Ved Patel from class 9 in volleyball. Congratulations to all the players. Parents, please, all the students receive a big round of applause.
दिल से निकलेगा नहीं वो तिरंगा शायद कहीं, इसमें बसी एक बहादुरी है जो दिलों को कहाँ ले जाए हमारी.
As we continue our culture journey tonight, let's take a moment to delve into the heartbeat of our nation, the vibrant energy and dreams of our young generation. Absolutely, my friend. The youth, often referred as real architect of nation, bring with them a kaleidoscope of dreams, aspiration, and a spirit of innovation that shapes the destiny of Bharat. Their dreams are not just individual aspirations, they are collective visions that contribute to the essence of Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat. And tonight, we are about to witness the manifestation of those dreams as our great 10 boys gear up to present Lehrado, a composition that resonates the heartbeat of young India. The significance of the young generation lies in their ability to bridge the past and the future, connecting diverse cultures and traditions of our nation. Mahatma Gandhi once said, "A nation's culture resides in the hearts and in the soul of its people, and it refers to its youth."
Their passion is the driving force behind the progress of our great nation. In their dreams, we find the blueprint for Bharat that stands tall, embracing unity in diversity. So let's celebrate the potential, the dream, and the importance of our youth in shaping the destiny of Bharat. As we get ready for the Great 10 Boys performance on Lehrado Jhanda from the classic Oscar winner RRR.
हर गली घर में है लोहे का बंदा, जिस पे उम्र मिटे लहरा वो झंडा। हर गली घर में है लोहे का बंदा, झंडा लोहा लाठी टूटी जीता योद्धा धुआं शोले, उजले शोले उजलते शोले, जिगरा शोले दिल के शोले, जल जल शोले जल शोले, धरती हिला दे ये हर सीमा तोड़े। जिस पे उम्र मिटे लहरा वो झंडा, हर गली घर में है लोहे का बंदा। आजा आजा हमदम एक हम बने, दिल में खुशी गूंजी है धड़कने,
झुके नहीं कभी भी ये पलटने, अरे सुबह हुई तोड़ी सभी बंदिशें।
अपने तो मन में अब भड़के है शोला, दम है किसी का कर मुकाबला। लोहा ज्वाला गोला भाला जागा बेटा बोलो शोले, कर्मठ शोले कलकत्ता शोले, उज्जवल शोले गुजराती शोले,
क्रांति है शोले कित्तूरू शोले,
तीर सतेज जो तिरतल बेली शोले। जिस पे उम्र मिटे लहरा वो झंडा, हर गली घर में है लोहे का बंदा। छूटे नहीं मिलकर ये हाथ रे, सर पे कफन बांधा है जाट ने। जब भी बिगुल बाजेगा जीत का, मन नाच उठेगा और दिल झूमेगा। छुटा रे अंधेरा खुद पे रख तू भरोसा, साथ हमेशा मिले दिल को दिलासा। आजा राजा बाजा जीता जागा ज्वाला ऊंचे शोले, प्रबल ये शोले पंजाबी शोले, थके न ये शोले अटूरी शोले,
पावन शोले उल्लासी शोले,
विजय बार है वीर मराठा शोले। जिस पे उम्र मिटे लहरा वो झंडा, हर गली घर में है लोहे का बंदा। जिस पे उम्र मिटे लहरा वो झंडा, हर गली घर में है लोहे का बंदा।
Wow, what an extraordinary performance, wasn't it? ये यंग डांसर्स ने स्टेज को सिर्फ अपने ग्रेसफुल मूव से ही नहीं, बल्कि अपने टैलेंट और सिंप्लिसिटी से भी जिंदा कर दिया।
सच कहूँ तो खुशी, उनका डांस और भी खास बनाता है उनका कॉन्फिडेंस और उनका जज्बा, और उसी ने तो हमें प्रभावित किया है. As they say, not just through the dance, but through their smiles, they have made us feel something special.
So, let's once again applaud our class 10th boys, not just for entertaining us, but showcasing the true spirit of young India through their dance.
And as we celebrate the vibrant energy of our youth, there's a beautiful saying for all of us. युवा शक्ति से भरा हर सपना हकीकत बनाए, देश को रंगत से भरा नया इतिहास रचाए.
Display of weakness is not an option. The ancient Romans used to say, "Si vis pacem, para bellum." If you want peace, prepare for war.
हौसला बुलंद है इस हर कदम पर, हौसला बुलंद है इस हर कदम पर. मुश्किलें हैं आने वाली, मगर हौसला तैयार है.
The spirit is high with every step. Challenges may come, but the spirit is high.
Beautiful. These words echo the anticipation and determination we feel before witnessing powerful performance. Before they take the stage, let's reflect on a powerful quote by Swami Vivekananda. Arise, awake, and do not stop until the goal is reached.
As we prepare to witness the dynamic act, let's acknowledge the profound connection between the learnings of Mahabharata, particularly the Bhagavad Gita, reflecting the spirit of Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat, and vibrant essence of our nation today.
As we delve into the performance, let's reflect on how Bhagavad Gita's lessons have become an integral part of our cultural fabric, shaping the moral and ethical values that define Bharat.
So, without any further delay, let's invite the talented performers who will not only entertain us, but also provide a glimpse into timeless teachings of Mahabharata, carrying forward its invaluable legacy.
So, presenting to you the most powerful and resonant act on Arambh Hai Prachand. Let the performance begin!
माधव, धर्म और अधर्म में क्या अंतर है?
पार्थ, जब तक संसार में एक मनुष्य भी पीड़ित है, तब तक वास्तव में किसी का भी सुख संपूर्ण नहीं है. यह जानने पर मनुष्य का मन करुणा से भर जाए, उसे धर्म कहते हैं. जब किसी पर तमस गुण छाया होता है, तो वह दूसरों के प्रति कठोर, निर्दयी और स्वार्थी हो जाता है. अपने माने हुए सुख के लिए दूसरों को दुख देता है. उसकी परमात्मा की ओर गति नहीं हो पाती. अर्थात अधर्म परमात्मा से दूर ले जाने वाले मार्ग का नाम है. आइए हम सब मिलकर समाज व अपने देश के हित के लिए एकजुट होकर कार्य करें और अपने धर्म व संस्कृति की रक्षा करें. यही भागवत गीता का सार है.
प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो. है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो. आन बान शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो. आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो. आन बान शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो. आरंभ है प्रचंड, आरंभ है प्रचंड. करे सो प्राण दे, जो मन करे सो प्राण ले, वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है। मन करे सो प्राण दे, जो मन करे सो प्राण ले, वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है। विश्व की पुकार है, ये भागवत का सार है कि युद्ध ही तो वीर का प्रमाण है। कौरवों की भीड़ हो या पांडवों का नीड़ हो, जो लड़ सका है वो ही तो महान है। जीत की हवस नहीं, किसी पे कोई वश नहीं, क्या जिंदगी है ठोकरों पे मार दो। मौत अंत है नहीं तो मौत से भी क्यों डरे, ये जाके आसमान में दहाड़ दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड बोले मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन बान शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड, आरंभ है प्रचंड। दया का भाव या कि शौर्य का चुनाव, या कि हार का वो भाव तुम ये सोच लो। वो दया का भाव या कि शौर्य का चुनाव, या कि हार का वो भाव तुम ये सोच लो। या कि पूरे भाल पर जला रहे विजय का लाल लाल ये गुलाल तुम ये सोच लो। रंग केसरी हो या मृदंग केसरी हो, या कि केसरी हो लाल तुम ये सोच लो। जिस कवि की कल्पना में जिंदगी हो प्रेम गीत, उस कवि को आज तुम नकार दो। भीगती मसों में आज फूलती रगों में आज आग की लपट का तुम बघार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड बोले मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन बान शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड, आरंभ है प्रचंड, आरंभ है प्रचंड। साधुना विनाशाय च दुष्कृता। धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत, अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्। परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां, धर्म संस्थापनाय सम्भवामि युगे युगे।
What a powerful and awe-inspiring act we just witnessed. The performers not only showcased incredible stunts, but also took us on a profound journey, connecting our present with the rich history of Mahabharata and the teachings of Bhagavad Gita.
This performance served as a powerful reminder of how our Bharat is connected with its historical legacy and how the teachings of Bhagavad Gita continue to be a guiding force in our lives.
As we applaud the performers for their incredible stunts and extraordinary skills, let's carry forward the inspiration and learnings they have shared with us today.
And to our dear audience, stay with us as we unfold more chapter of Brilliance Culture, where each performance is a canvas depicting vibrant history that shaped our great nation. Requested our Honorable Chief Guest, Ms. Yesha Rugani, to address the gathering and to give her valuable inputs to our children. You have motivated people by being a living example by sharing your expertise and knowledge.
I am sure the parents over here would also be motivated. Please, ma'am.
A very good evening to everybody. मैं स्पीच क्या दूँ, मैं स्पीचलेस हूँ एक्चुअली. अभी जो लास्ट में हमने परफॉर्मेंस देखा, आई वॉज एक्चुअली होल्डिंग रुचिका माई फ्रेंड एंड आई वॉज लाइक ओ माई गॉड एवरी मिनट कुछ ऐसा हो रहा था कि मैं फ़ोन में रिकॉर्ड करूँ, देखूँ, कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा था. सो firstly, a big congratulations to all the talented students and everybody who's made this evening, this beautiful evening possible. ये जो आज का theme है, जो एक subject है, all about our nation. I think the culture, diversity, festivals, जो achievement India का है in terms of sports and the inventions and everything, we are talking about everything here. ये सब मेरे अंदर एक patriotic feeling लेकर आ रहा है and I'm so nostalgic कि मुझे अपने स्कूल के दिन याद आ गए. And when I think about my school days, हमारी लाइफ में हमारा जब भी कोई फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस होता है वो बहुत खास होता है. जैसे कि बच्चों का पहली बार माँ बोलना, फर्स्ट टाइम चलना, हमारी फर्स्ट सैलरी, फर्स्ट जॉब, ये सब ऑल द फर्स्ट्स आर वेरी वेरी स्पेशल. तो हमारी लाइफ में हमारा सबसे फर्स्ट जो मंच होता है, स्टेज, पहला मंच होता है स्कूल का मंच, विच इज़ वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. मैं कहूँगी सबसे बड़ा मंच होता है क्योंकि ये बड़े मंच पर छोटे से कदमों की एक बड़ी शुरुआत होती है. एंड आई गिव इट ऑल टू माई स्कूल and my school stage. That is why I think that आज जब मैं इन सबको इस मंच पे देख रही हूँ परफॉर्म करते हुए, I am very sure कि ये एक दिन बहुत आगे जाएंगे और अपनी स्कूल की ये अपॉर्चुनिटी, ये मंच जहाँ से वो अपने फैमिली के साथ, अपने फैमिली के सामने परफॉर्म करते हैं, ये हमेशा याद करेंगे. एंड स्पेशली व्हेन इतनी अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ जहाँ पे हो, like not in terms of this particular stage जहाँ पे dancing, singing, live performances, musical instruments, live band, क्या कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. उसके साथ साथ एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिल रहा है स्पोर्ट्स के लिए, जो आई एम रियली सरप्राइज्ड. आज के दिन में मैंने बहुत कम जगहों पे, बहुत कम स्कूल्स में देखा है मलखम, हॉर्स राइडिंग, क्या कुछ है. आई वॉज एक्चुअली सरप्राइज्ड एंड शॉक्ड जब मैंने देखा कि इतने सारे अचीवमेंट्स हैं और इतनी ज़्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ है, इतनी स्पेस, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. सो वाओ, कंग्रेचुलेशंस कि आप ये मौका दे रहे हो लोगों को. एंड कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू ऑल ऑफ यू दैट यू आर पार्ट ऑफ दिस ब्यूटिफुल फैमिली. सो लास्टली आई वुड जस्ट लाइक टू से थैंक यू सो मच आपके प्यारे CEO सर मिस्टर राजेंद्र शर्मा. राजेंद्र अंकल, थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी. और प्यारा सा शर्मा परिवार जिन्होंने मुझे ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दी कि मैं यहाँ आ सकी और आप सबके सामने मुझे ये बोलने का मौका मिल रहा है. सो थैंक यू सो मच गाइज. I will never forget this experience. Thank you everybody.
From the depth of our hearts, we thank our chief guest Ms. Yasha Rugani ma'am for all the words of wisdom that radiated a source of energy within us. Thank you very much, ma'am.
I would like to humbly request our guest of honor, Shri N. Rama Mohan, to share a few words on this great occasion. Please, sir.
Thank you very much. Our chief guest of today spoke in Hindi. I am not so much fluent in Hindi, so I'll speak in English. Good evening to all of you. First of all, I thank the management for giving me an opportunity and inviting me to this great evening. I am really speechless to see the talent of the students here, both in terms of education or sports or the cultural activity and the traditions maintained by the students and the teachers who are upbringing the children here. You are all very great. You are doing a great job, not only to the children, but to the whole country. we are very happy to be the citizens of this great country, Bharat. And today evening is really nostalgic. This is one of my lifetime memory. It will be etched in my mind. I really enjoyed each minute sitting there in the front row to see these performances and honoring the children here. Thank you very much. And today I would say it is also celebrated as a National Youth Day. So we have seen a lot of young children, nanne munne bacche se lekar up to 12th standard. We have seen all the youth and their energy, their talent, their jazbat is unbelievable and unprecedented, and this happens only in India. The variety we have seen, the color, talent, Josh, really fantastic. I salute all of you, each one of you on this occasion. I said today is celebrated National Youth Day. This is on the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda ji. He is our national youth icon who was born in Calcutta on 12th January in 1863. You know, he is remembered even today because of his groundbreaking speech which he has given in the first world's Parliament of Religions, where he spoke on September 11th on 1893. In the same site today it is present Art Institute in Chicago, USA. He started his speech with "My sisters and brothers of America." The very world famous quote or the phrase, even after 130 years of time, we remember these words, and the applause he received on that Parliament of Religion even took a long time to settle. That is the tradition and the religion which were brought up in this great country. Even I'm happy and thankful for the school authorities, our management and the principal and the family of Sharmajis to give me an opportunity on this stage to remember these words on this historic day. If I say Vivekananda, I feel all my body gets रोम ऊपर आ जाता है. So I would like to say few quotes which will help our young children in their future, like उठो, जागो और तब तक मत रुको जब तक अपने लक्ष्य को नहीं प्राप्त कर लेते हैं. The same thing which was told in English earlier is the translation in Hindi I did. We are what our thoughts have made us. So take care of your thinking. Words are secondary because it comes and goes away. But the thought travels in our mind, in my life, in our life. So you should be very careful on your thoughts. And don't think that you are a weak, because the world is a great gymnasium. You have a lot of sports activities going on here, which makes you strong and cultivate your strength for the country. Here, treasure is not a goal, but the knowledge is. You have knowledge from all parts of the life, whether it is from the education or from the sports or from the life you go in this hostel. A beautiful environment treats you a lot. More we come out and do good to others. Like this is a Manav Kendra, Jnana Mandir. So you should do more good and to others. As you do more good things in your life, your hearts will be purified and the God will come and settle with you. So this is our great tradition which we have seen in our Bhagavad Gita and the other epics which in the Indian soil we have learned. जो लोग आपको मदद करते हैं उन्हें कभी मत भूलना, हमेशा उनको ध्यान रखना. Accordingly, you have to ignite your passions, chase your dreams, and build a brighter future for yourself, not only for yourself, but our great country, Bharat. Once our ex-president, late President Abdul Kalam, has given the quotations, the children should dream. Children should dream. And those dreams are not come which you are sleeping. But the dream should be such that it will not allow you to sleep until the dreams are fulfilled. So the young mind here, I suggest that you should dream and reach your dreams with your hard work. It is very easy to defeat someone. I repeat, it is very easy to defeat someone, but it's very hard to win someone. So better we should try to win the hearts of the people around us. If you want to shine like a sun, first you should burn like a sun. You should do the all hard work, burn yourself, and then you shine as a sun. Be humane and serve the humanity. Like we are in such a good place, like Manav Kendra. Not only Manav Kendra, this is Manav Kalyan Kendra. With this, you should be able to do Kalyan to the others around you in the whole universe. With this, I stop my words and I'll say Jai Gujarat on the soil where you are doing all these good things. I'm very happy. Jai Ek Bharat and Shresth Bharat. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your beautiful and valuable words.
हमारा भारत प्रकृति का पुजारी है। यहाँ पर पत्ते पत्ते में परमात्मा का वास है। जहाँ कृष्ण ने गायों को चराकर तथा विष्णु ने कच्छप अवतार लेकर पशु पक्षियों को भी पूजनीय बनाया है। वह भारत जहाँ पर राजा महाबली अश्वत्थामा, व्यास जी, कृपाचार्य तथा मार्कंडेय ऋषि जैसे महापात्र अमरता को प्राप्त है, तो महाबली हनुमान जैसे अमर वीर इस कलयुग में भी दृश्यमान है, जिन्होंने समस्त भूमंडल को जीवन देने वाले सूर्य को भी अपने मुंह में रख लिया था तथा लक्ष्मण को शक्ति बाण लगने के समय सूर्य को फिर दूसरी बार अधिक समय तक छिपे रहने पर मजबूर कर दिया था। ऐसे अमर महावीर हनुमान, जिन्होंने सूर्य को चुनौती देते हुए भी विनम्रता से कहा था, आशा है स्वल्प प्रार्थना ये सच्चे जी से स्वीकारोगे, आतुर की अर्थ अवस्था को होकर करुणार्थ निहारोगे, अन्यथा क्षमा करना दिनकर अंजनी तनय से पाला है, बचपन से जान रहे हो तुम कि हनुमत कितना मतवाला है।
ये सच है जानवी, हमारा भारत प्रेम का पुण्य लोक और अहिंसा का जन्म स्थान है, लेकिन नारी का अपमान हो जाए तो यहाँ का बच्चा बच्चा हनुमान है। हमारा देश सचमुच अद्वितीय है और यहाँ प्राचीन धरोहर और विरासत का संगम होता है। हाँ दोस्तों, हनुमान जी हमारे देश के प्राचीन ग्रंथों में एक महान योद्धा और भक्त के रूप में प्रस्तुत है। तो अब आप उन हनुमान जी की शौर्य और शक्ति का एक झलक निहारेंगे, जहां बच्चे बच्चे में आपको हनुमान जी नजर आएंगे। तो अगली पेशकश है हनुमान चालीसा।
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधारि, बरनौ रघुबर विमल जसु, जो दायक फलचारि। सुमिरो पवन कुमार, बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि, हरहु कलेश विकार।
ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीसति लोक उजागर, जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीसति लोक उजागर। रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा, अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा, महावीर विक्रम परम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर रंजन भरन विराज सुबेसा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराजय कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साजय जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर जय
शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित सुनबे को रसिया प्रभु चरित सुनबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता वन बसिया
रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर सहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर जय
लाए संजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुवीर हरषि उर लाए रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरत ही सम भाई सहस बदन तुम्हरो यश गावे अस कहीं श्रीपति कंठ लगावे
दिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद सारद सहित अहिसा नम कुबेर दिक्पाल जहाते कवि कोविद कहि सके कहाते
उपकार सुग्रीवहि कीन्हा राम मिलाय राजपद दीन्हा
उपकार सुग्रीवहि कीन्हा राम मिलाय राजपद दीन्हा
तुमरो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना
तुम्हारो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना
जुग सहस्त्र योजन पर भानु जुग सहस्त्र योजन पर भानु लील्यो ताहि मधुर बल जानु
मेली मुख मारी जलद लागी गए अचरज नाही दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हारे तेरे जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर
राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे
होती ना क्या बिनु पैसा रे। सब सुख लहै तुम्हारी सरना, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना। आपन तेज संहारो आप, तीनों लोक हाथ देखा पे।
साच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। आसे रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत पीरा। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीस तिहुलो उजागर। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीस तिहुलो उजागर। जय
संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे। संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन बल पावे।
प्रताप तुम्हारा, सिद्ध जगत उजियारा। संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीस तिहुलो उजागर। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीस तिहुलो उजागर।
अष्ट सिद्धि नौ निधि के दाता, असबर दीन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे।
रघुबरपुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई। और देवता चित्त न धरई, हनुमत से सर्व सुख करई। संकट कटई मिटई सब पीरा, जो सुमिरै हनुमत बल बीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई। जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई, जो बंदी महासुख होई। जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होए सिद्धि साखी गौरी सा। तुलसीदास सदा
बच्चों, सच में आपने हनुमान के साहस का दर्शन करवा दिया। Dear parents, put your hands together for these performers who beautifully performed on Hanuman Chalisa.
We would be really grateful if we get a chance to have some beautiful words from our guest of honor, Shri Bhupendra Narayan Singh. For that, I would like to humbly request Shri Bhupendra Narayan Singh to share a few words. Please, sir.
उपस्थित सभी अभिभावक, मानव केंद्र ज्ञान मंदिर स्कूल के संस्थापक या मैनेजमेंट, प्रिंसिपल, सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। सबसे पहले आपको बधाई आपके 35वां वर्षगांठ के लिए। और यहाँ आने पे सबसे जो खुशी की बात है कि ये 2-3 घंटा हम लोग को यह पता नहीं चला कि हम कहाँ हैं। हम लोग भी बच्चे के कार्यक्रम में अपने पुराने दिनों को याद करते हुए उसमें समाहित हो गए। अपनी भाग दौड़ की जिंदगी को भूलते हुए इसमें हम लोग को लगा नहीं कि ये 3 घंटा कैसे बीत गया। मानव केंद्र ज्ञान मंदिर स्कूल, जैसे हमारे पूर्व वक्ताओं ने बताया कि मानव केंद्र, ये मानव केंद्र है और आप उसमें ज्ञान मंदिर है। तो एक समाज निर्माण, जो स्कूल विद्यालय जो होता है, प्रथम चरण सीखने का, आगे बढ़ने का, और जो एक रॉ मटेरियल आता है उसको एक फॉर्म में बना के आप समाज को देते हैं, और जो आप यहाँ गढ़ के भेजते हैं वही आदमी के जीवन में आगे काम करता है और वो अपनी आगे की ज़िंदगी के लिए कैसे उसको अपनी सारी जो ज्ञान यहाँ पर जो स्कूल से सीख के जाता है उसका उपयोग सारे जीवन पर्यंत करता रहता है। और हमने देखा कि एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत, इसमें जैसे हमारा देश विविधताओं का देश है और विविधता में भी हम एक हैं, तो आपने जितने विभिन्न सांस्कृतिक विभिन्न कार्यक्रम में ये दिखाया कि विविधता के बाद भी हम एक हैं और एक हैं तो हम श्रेष्ठ हैं। तो और यहाँ पर जो है सार्वभौमिक विकास, जो स्टूडेंट्स का होलिस्टिक ग्रोथ ये देखने को मिला। होलिस्टिक ग्रोथ मतलब कि पढ़ाई के साथ साथ, पढ़ाई में भी बच्चे अव्वल कर रहे हैं, स्पोर्ट्स में भी अव्वल कर रहे हैं। कुछ बच्चे जो हैं देश में विभिन्न स्पर्धाओं में भाग लेके मेडल लेके आए हैं। तो ये आपके मेहनत का परिणाम है और मुझे लगता है ये 35 साल का जो आपकी मेहनत है ये परिलक्षित हो रही है। और मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं कि आपने मुझे मौका दिया। ये मेरा सौभाग्य है कि मैं आपके बीच में आया और आपके कार्यक्रम से रूबरू हुआ और आपने जो सम्मान दिया उसके लिए हम अपने तरफ से, मैं अपने संस्था के तरफ से, इंडियन ओवरसीज बैंक की तरफ से धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you very much, sir, for your kind and encouraging words.
I would like to humbly request our special guest, Shri Bhaskar Pandit, to share a few words on this great occasion. Please, sir.
नमस्कार। एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत 3 घंटे में ये पता चल गया कि श्रेष्ठ भारत में मानव केंद्र ज्ञान मंदिर स्कूल एक श्रेष्ठ स्कूल है। इस श्रेष्ठ स्कूल में वो अति श्रेष्ठ बच्चे हैं और उनके पीछे बहुत ही कर्मित एंड श्रेष्ठ टीचर्स का बहुत बड़ा योगदान है और ये सब एक बहुत ही श्रेष्ठ मैनेजमेंट के अंडर में हो रहा है। तो मैं इस बात से पूरी तरह से कन्विंस हूँ, ये पूरे 3 घंटे के बहुत ही श्रेष्ठ प्रोग्राम देखने के बाद एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत में ये श्रेष्ठ स्कूल भी अपनी बहुत ही अहम भूमिका निभा रहा है। इस सब के लिए आप लोगों को बहुत बहुत हार्दिक बधाई। आकाश में उड़ने के लिए जमीन से जुड़ना बहुत ज़रूरी है, बहुत ज़रूरी है। जिस पेड़ की जड़ें जितनी नीचे जाती हैं वो उतना ही ऊपर जाता है और जो पेड़ ऊपर जाता है वहाँ पर दुनिया भर की चिड़ियाँ हैं अपना रैन बसेरा बनाती हैं और वो चिड़ियाँ हैं आकाश में उड़ने का रास्ता दिखाती हैं। जड़ें इंसान की स्कूल में ही मजबूत होती हैं और मैं देख सकता हूँ बच्चों की परफॉर्मेंस देखने के बाद कि यहाँ के बच्चों की जड़ें बहुत बहुत मजबूत हैं और भी मजबूत बनेंगी और ये बच्चे फ्यूचर में उड़ेंगे। कोई किसी डायरेक्शन में जाएगा, कोई किसी और डायरेक्शन में जाएगा, लेकिन सारे के सारे बच्चे आकाश में उड़ेंगे। मैं पेरेंट्स को कहना चाहता हूँ कि आप निश्चिंत रहें, आपके सारे बच्चे उड़ेंगे, बहुत ऊंचाइयों पे उड़ेंगे। एक और बात मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि आज मेरी उम्र 62 इयर्स है, मैं 62 साल का हूँ। मैं 3 साल का था जब मेरी मदर ने मुझे ABCD पढ़ाई, काका गा पढ़ाया, 1 2 3 की गिनतियाँ सिखाई और मैं तब से पढ़ाई लिखाई कर रहा हूँ। उसके बाद मुझे एक बहुत ही अच्छे स्कूल में पढ़ने का सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ। मुझे एक अच्छे कॉलेज में जाने का सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ। एक बड़े अच्छे इंस्टीट्यूट में सर्विस करने का सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ। बड़े बड़े ज्ञानी, बड़े बड़े विद्वान, देश के विदेश के, सबसे मिलने का मौका मिला, सबसे ज्ञान प्राप्त किया। लेकिन आज भी बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे जीवन काम करने के लिए ये ज्ञान पूरा कभी कभी लगता है कि नहीं है, और भी ज्ञान की ज़रूरत है। एक छोटे से पेमेंट अगर मैं अपने मोबाइल फ़ोन से करना शुरू करूं तो एक गलत बटन दबा नहीं कि मेरे पैसे गायब। तो नॉलेज बहुत ज़रूरी है बेसिक सर्वाइवल के लिए। और मैंने एक मूवी देखी थी, वो शायद बच्चों के लिए इतनी उपयुक्त ना हो, लेकिन बहुत ही प्रभावशाली मूवी थी, द रीडर करके। उसमें एक हन्ना स्मिथ का एक कैरेक्टर है, इसको ऑस्कार मिले थे बहुत सारे। तो उसमें दिखाया गया है कि अगर आदमी के पास शिक्षा ना हो, पढ़ना ना आता हो, लिखना ना आता हो, तो जीवन कितना दुर्लभ हो जाता है। आज की दुनिया में अगर आपको पढ़ना नहीं आता, लिखना नहीं आता, तो आप आंखें होते हुए भी आप ऑलमोस्ट ब्लाइंड है। यू कैन नॉट नेगोशिएट दिस वर्ल्ड। तो अभी भी हमारे बीच में बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनको कि पढ़ना लिखना नहीं आता। मेरी इन बच्चों से आग्रह है कि अपने इस जीवन में कम से कम 2 आदमियों को, अगर आपको कभी मौका मिले तो कम से कम एक छोटा सा पढ़ना है, 10 तक की गिनतियाँ, हस्ताक्षर करना, पढ़ना ज़रूर सिखाएं। क्योंकि आप देखेंगे, मैं एक न्यूक्लियर सेक्टर से आया हुआ हूँ और न्यूक्लियर सेक्टर में एक जो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है वो एक नॉर्मल फिशन। एक फिशन में 2 चीज़ें होती हैं, एक 200 मिलीवोल्ट की एनर्जी निकलती है और 2 न्यूट्रॉन निकलते हैं। 2 न्यूट्रॉन से 4 न्यूट्रॉन होते हैं, 4 न्यूट्रॉन से 8 होते हैं, 8 से 16, 16 से 32। एंड जो मिलीवोल्ट में होती है एनर्जी, मिनी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वोल्ट में होती है, वो मेगावाट्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है। और मेगावाट्स में भी नहीं, वो हजारों मेगावाट में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है। तो मेरा एक आग्रह है कि हर बच्चा जो आज इस स्कूल के अंदर है, अपने जीवन काल में कम से कम 2 बच्चों को, 2 आदमियों को जिनको कि पढ़ना नहीं आता, लिखना नहीं आता, उनको पढ़ना लिखाने की बेसिक सिखाने की कोशिश करे। तो मुझे लगता है कि एक दिन जरूर होगा जिसमें कि सारे लोग उसमें होंगे जो कि पढ़ सकते हैं। कम से कम आज के जीवन में, जिसमें हम जैसे आदमियों को भी डिफ़िकल्टी होती है नेगोशिएट करना, तो जिसको पढ़ना लिखना नहीं आता, उसकी जीवन की आप व्यथा क्या है शायद हम लोग समझ नहीं सकते। धन्यवाद, आपने मुझे ये मौका दिया गुजरात की पवित्र धरती पे आने का। मैं बहुत आप लोगों का आभारी हूँ। भाषण तो मैं सोच ही नहीं दे सकता, जिस धरती पे, पवित्र धरती पे यशस्वी आवर प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी हो, वहाँ भाषण देने की कौन सोच सकता है। धन्यवाद, थैंक यू।
Thank you very much, sir, for your beautiful and encouraging words.
As we move forward, our incredible journey through the diverse colors of Bharat continues. In this unique presentation, our 6th to 8th grade students will showcase their vibrant hues of Gujarat, immerse us in the energetic beats of Punjabi Bhangra, and sway us with the cultural richness of Maharashtra. Let's blend ourselves in the splendid color of Gujarat, reflecting rich culmination that connects us from each and every corner.
And also experience the energetic beats of Punjabi Bhangra, showcasing the grandeur and exuberance that resonates from that region.
And we'll conclude our journey by immersing ourselves in the splendid color of cultural richness of Maharashtra.
This not only reflects the vibrant hues of our nation, but also signifies the unique and strong bond we share as Indian, aligning with one motto, One India, Best India.
Indeed, this performance is a testament of a cultural amalgamation that makes India truly incredible. Echoing the words of Jawaharlal Nehru, unity in diversity is India's strength.
Now, my dear audience, it's time to invite our talented performers of grade 6 to 8 to grace the stage and share with us the cultural extravaganza. Let's welcome them with a big round of applause.
यह रंगों का देश है। यहाँ विविधता में एकता और एकता में विविधता है। यहाँ की संस्कृति ही इसकी धरोहर है। तो आइए देखते हैं इस संस्कृति की कुछ झलकियां। Bharatanatyam is a major form of Indian classical dance that is originated in the state of Tamil Nadu.
Dhum dhum ta na 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 dhum dhum agappa dhum dhum ta na na de ra na 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 dhum dhum agasa ragir da dhum da 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 di ra na 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 da da gr da dhum da da gr da dhum da gr da dhum 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 da na 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 di ra na 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 dhum ta na di ra na gama gama ma gama pa ma ga sa ni sa ta na di ra na gama gama ma gama pa ma ga sa ni sa Come on now, follow my lead. Come now, follow my lead. Gama bala, gama, gama bala, gama esa. Gama bala, gama, gama bala, gama esa. Gama bani pa gama, gama bala, gama esa. Gama basa, gama. I'm in love with your body.
Gujarat, Garba is a circular form of dance that involves clapping and whirling around what is usually an idol of the mother goddess in the center. It is accompanied by music and singing.
जगमग थाय रे आव्या अम्बे मां मोती बेराणा चौक मां आव्या अम्बे मां चौक मां जगमग थाय रे आव्या अम्बे मां उड़ाओ लाल गुलाल के आव्या अम्बे मां चौक मां जगमग थाय रे आव्या अम्बे
Bhangra is a type of traditional dance of the Indian subcontinent originating in the Majha area of Punjab. Lavani is a combination of traditional song and dance which is particularly performed to the beats of dholki. Lavani is a genre of music popular in Maharashtra.
घ्या सबुरीन विडा कागा घाई अशी जिव्हारे धुमसल राया जी रात भर आता न
धरून लंगडी घालाया लागली. अग कोंबडी पळाली तंगडी धरून लंगडी घालाया लागली. अग कोंबडी पळाली तंगडी धरून लंगडी घालाया लागली. अग कोंबडी पळाली तंगडी धरून लंगडी घालाया लागली.
यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है. ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं, खुद पे हमें नाज है. जाने ना हमको ये जमाना, चाहो तो हमको आजमाना. यार बाज हम जान साज हम इश्क बाज दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले. छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले. दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे, उंगली पे सबको नचा दे. दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे, इंडिया वाले.
Kathakali is a Hindu performance art in the Malayalam speaking southwestern region of India. तो कैसी लगी आपको भारत की विविधता में एकता की ये तस्वीर?
तेरा नाम है साजा हो. What an extraordinary journey we have just experienced through the incredible cultural kaleidoscope of India. The vibrant colors, the energetic beats and the rich tradition have truly left us in awe.
Absolutely, Bansri. In the spirit of our theme, Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat, this performance beautifully illustrates that how each state of our nation contributes for the beauty of our nation, Bharat.
And now, as we bask in the afterglow of this incredible performance, let's carry the spirit of unity forward, cherishing the richness of our diverse mosaic.
This was all about this event. I hope you all have enjoyed this mesmerizing occasion. I, on behalf of MKGM School, thank all of you for coming and remaining with us during this delightful event. I am especially thankful to our chief guest, Ms. Shesha Rugani, our guest of honor, Shri N. Rama Mohan, Shri Bhupendra Narayan Singh, and our special guest, Shri Bhaskar Pandit, for their cordial presence. It was really encouraging for all of us. I express my heartfelt gratitude to all who work round the clock to make this program successful. I would like to thank to all those who implicitly or explicitly become the part of this event. And I congratulate all the participants for their catchy and captivating performances. We all are pleased with their performances. Thanks to you all.
An end of the program, but we believe that there is never an end but always a beginning. Thus, to conclude for today, I request our respected Vice Principal Sir to propose the vote of thanks.
Good evening to all of you. Himalayam samarabhya yavat indu sarovaram. Himalayam samarabhya yavat indu sarovaram. Tam deva nirmitam desam Hindusthanam prachakshate. Hindusthanam prachakshate. Honorable Chief Guest, respected guest of honor, trustees of school, principal, teachers, dignitaries, and my dear lovely students. Today, I feel honored to propose vote of thanks on the behalf of MKGM School. What an outstanding event of school annual day it was. I would like to thank our chief guest, guest of honor, special guest, for sparing their valuable time for us. Further, I would like to express my deep sense of gratitude to the management and principal sir who always encourage us for the success of this event. I am highly grateful to our teachers and non-teaching staff members for taking great efforts to organize these annual day functions. I am also grateful to our students for taking part in this event with great enthusiasm and incredible performance. All the students and anchors are worthy of appreciation from our school. I am also grateful to parents for their support and patience. I would like to express our gratitude to all the supporting staff, known and unknown hands that contribute to the success of this program. Thanks one and all present over here, and I would like to take your leave with a feeling of happiness and gratitude. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you very much, sir, for your thankful words.
We pray for your blessings. With all humility, gives us the wisdom to make this country a better place, to evoke the feelings of patriotism and remind you about the nation's glory and beauty. I request everyone to rise for our national anthem. सभी से विनम्र निवेदन है कि वे राष्ट्रगान के लिए खड़े हो जाए।
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।